2005 Dodge Dakota pickup. Suicide door won't open. Problem repaired. To remove the suicide door, you want to first remove the star bits, and I'm going to try to show you them. The star bits holding the seat belt retainer from the ceiling. Then you want to remove your top two screws, your center two screws, your top two screws on your cover for your door. Your bottom two screws you cannot remove at this point, which are down here. You want to leave them in, just pull the door back so you can access the interior of your door latch. Your door latch here has two cables from it, and one of the cables goes up for the top portion of the door. The other cable goes down, and that might be a good view, down to the release mechanism at the bottom. And if you look at the release mechanism, I'll try to show you a close-up of the video. This is how I repaired my suicide door release cable. And as you can see, it is now working, functioning. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps. And you just do the reverse. However, it's a lot easier putting the door panel back on, because you can put your seatbelt retainer on without getting behind the seat. Have a good day. 2005 Dodge Dakota pickup. Temporarily repaired till we can get the parts, or it may last a long time later.